Hello everyone and welcome back to Travel Days with Shelly, and in this video we will witness the beauty of San Antonio Riverwalk. San Antonio is the beautiful city of Texas and is famous for its charming riverwalk, iconic Alamo, delicious Tex-Mex food and theme park adventure and the Sea World. So right in front of me is a famous Emily Hotel built in 1920, also famous as one of the haunted hotel in San Antonio. We were staying in Hotel Gifts in San Antonio downtown, just near to Emily Hotel and Alamo and walking distance to Riverwalk. While walking towards the Riverwalk, we saw the market shops and there is Ripley's Museum. Also, we saw the Torch of Friendship, which symbolizes the friendship of USA and Mexico. So this is the Riverwalk area and it is a public park and free to visit. Riverwalk is 15 miles long and flows through approximately 5 miles of downtown San Antonio. So the downtown and museum portion of Riverwalk are open 24 hours a day, but for other restaurant shops you have to check the timings. This is Callison Lovelock Bridge on San Antonio Riverwalk, inspired from Paris Lovelock Bridge. Here, couples can tie locks engraved with their names, wedding dates, etc., as a sign of their everlasting love. Tour of San Antonio Riverwalk cannot be completed without the iconic river cruise ride. Go Rio River Cruises offers different types of cruises like narrated cruises, unique cruises, dinner cruises, and also private charters as well. We were on a narrated cruise which was around 35 to 40 minutes long. As we were passing through iconic beautiful buildings, the cruise guide was telling about the history of all the buildings and important landmarks. Riverwalk area is full of famous restaurants, landmarks, famous hotels, and here you can enjoy delicious Mexican and Tex-Mex cuisines as well. This is a 16 feet tall statue named as Stargazer, created by internationally renowned Mexican artist Pedro Reyes. This statue is made with 80 pieces of Mexican volcanic stone and marble. This monumental scale statue features a woman that holds and gazes upon a star-like object held between her fingers. We also tried the delicious marble slab creamery ice cream and spent some time at shops at River Center. There are more than 100 retailers including restaurants, IMAX, AMC Theatre and famous hotels. Night view of the San Antonio Riverwalk is also very amazing and you can enjoy it with your family and friends. So this was my one day spent in San Antonio Riverwalk with my family. Hope you liked this video. Please do like and subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon with subscribe button to get the update of new videos as well. Thanks for watching.